Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unarchive group chat messages on WhatsApp, whether you're on your iPhone or Android. But before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your WhatsApp, and at the top you will see archived. Now if you don't see it, just scroll all the way to the top, but basically the archived is here. You want to click on it, and there are three ways you can unarchive a message. So you can long hold and click on unarchive. You can go to edit, select chats, select it, and then unarchive, or scroll from right to left and then click on unarchive. And as you can see, now that I have unarchived the group messages, I can see it once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.